Welcome to the Mailer Light Magic. This is Ruthie Gray from RuthieGray.mom, and today we're talking about becoming GDPR compliant with our email forms. The existing ones we already have and the ones we have to come. As you can see, I have a lot of forms here. I've been working down through my landing page forms, and I am finally towards the bottom here. So let's go to the C2K challenge, hit edit. Don't look at my conversion rate. Slowly. All right. So my form, what you want to do is go to where your box is. All right. Here's my box. And I want to hit that right there. And then I want to go to settings. It says content, fields, and settings. Go to settings and look right here. Show confirmation checkbox. If I click on that, this little checkbox will come. There it is. Now that writing is too light. So what I need to do is click on checkbox right here and change that color to black. We want to change it to black. So we'll just do this. All right, good enough. And it says I would like to get these news, which I'm going to change that word because it doesn't sound right. So I'll go over to content, and here it says I would like to get these news. They already have it filled in for you. If you want to keep it like that, you can, but I don't want to. Emails. All right. There it says I would like to get these emails, or I would like to receive these emails, or I would like to receive your newsletter, whatever you want it to say. Click save and you're done, and your form is now GDPR compliant. You are welcome. So let's go to another form. We'll do our last one. We'll do one more. Go back to forms and come down here to the bottom one and edit. I don't think I already did this, but I may have. And if I have, I'll just show you what I did. All right. Oh, yes, I did. I would like to receive these emails. There it is. And this cannot be accepted until they check that checkbox right there. So again, you want to go with the box that has your email and name, your client's email and name. You want to click settings. You want to go click show confirmation checkbox. See if I click that, that'll go away. And if I click it again, it comes back. And then you go to content, and I would like to receive these emails, and you click save, and you're done with that. All right. And basically, sorry, doing the standalone forms or the embedded forms is about the same way. Yes, it is. So let's go to, let me see if I can find one I haven't already done. I think I've already done all of them today. Maybe not this one. Let's see. Let's go to edit. I think I have. Nope. I already did that one. I'm looking for just the small forms, the short forms. Okay. Hang on a second. I am sorry. This is so slow to load. Those were the landing page forms. So let's look at embedded. Okay, so I haven't done these. Let's look at this one. Dinner time survival guide photo. Okay. Look at groups or fields. Maybe it's in fields. No. Maybe it's in groups. No. Maybe it's in no. Design. I don't see it for the short forms, people. Let me see. Fields. Design. Why does it not have the confirmation checkbox? Details. Confirmation checkbox text. Please. Oh, there it is. Okay, so you and I just found this together. All you have to do is start typing and it will show up there then. Please add me to these emails. Or it would be better, please send me these emails. Okay. So there is confirmation checkbox, and now I have solved my own problem, and we'll go down here, and I am compliant now on the GDPR. It's been a long day, guys. I've been working on this all day long. Just so you know, there is a plugin. It is the GDPR plugin. Let me see if I can find it for you, because this may help you. Let me find the plugin. Let's see. Plugins. It's called down here somewhere. The GDPR framework. That's what I downloaded today, and it talks you right through a privacy statement, and you just add your stuff there, and then you put it in your, they recommend putting it in your footer, which is what I did. I'll show you what it looks like right here. It's not very obvious, but there it is. Okay. Now they also say that you should put it, I already had a privacy policy, and they say you should put them near your opt-in boxes, so I'm going to make mine more visible. So right now it's right here, so I'm probably going to have to just make it on this line here too, so that it's just open and out there for everyone to see. Okay, so the main thing is make sure you have a privacy policy that is GDPR compliant, and which is, you can do that with this plugin, the GDPR framework. It will talk you through what you need to do to become GDPR compliant, and then you add your information. It is pretty easy. It doesn't take long. And then the other main thing is to make sure that they can see it and it's obvious, and then make your forms compliant as well. This has been a MailerLite Magic note from Ruthie Gray.mom. Ooh, ooh.